we tried to visit knowledge about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and categories and facilities of each. You can see on the screen hotel location, some landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are not right here, so enjoy carefully. It's really very closely point to which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. See on the screen details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, etc. Person reserve the right to every food and walk prior to arrival. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a next video. Till then, probably be safe, be happy.